Alright, so as you can see by the thumbnail, what I'm going to be trying to do today is I'm going to try to program this keyless entry remote that I got from Amazon. This is a regular keyless with unlock, lock, the trunk release, and a panic button. But as you can see, it doesn't work. There's batteries in the remote. I just got it shipped from Amazon, but it's not programmed. And that's one thing they don't tell you. When you buy the remote, they send you this card and they tell you that a dealer or the automotive locksmith is gonna have to program this for you. They don't tell you that when you buy it, so a lot of people are pissed off. I read the reviews, and I'm gonna try to program it myself using my Snap-on Varus. All you're gonna need is a scan tool that can communicate with the body control module, because that is where the information for the keyless entry remote is programmed. It's in the body control module. So if you have a scanner that can do that, then you should be able to do this. I haven't done this yet. There is a battery in here, but it's not working because it's not programmed. Another thing you get in here is a warranty card. This is a company that makes it. The company is called Keyless Option. On the back of it is a serial number, and there's a customer support number that you can call if you're having trouble programming it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect to the car, turn the key on, and I haven't done this before. I only got one remote, and if it works, then I'm gonna go ahead and order another one because I have two sets of keys, and I didn't want to buy two remotes and then not have it work. So this is a 2006 Chevy Malibu. We're gonna go ahead and connect with the car, and basically we have, let me load this up. Okay, so basically we have to go into the body control module and input the information that's in this remote into the computer so that it knows that we're trying to get in the car. So we're gonna go under functional tests. I think it's there. No, it's not there. Alright, so it might be under module setup. There it is. Okay, so here we have an option for programming a key fob. We're gonna click on that and basically just follow the instructions. Let's see if we can see this. I'm trying to block the glare here. Is that good? Alright, so it says all key fobs must be programmed. Each time any one fob is programmed, to program, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons when prompted. The key fob is successfully programmed when a single audible chirp is heard from the IPC, which is the instrument panel cluster. After the chirp is heard, then proceed to the next fob and repeat. But I only have one, so when I get my second key fob, I'm gonna have to reprogram this one. So basically, let's try it out. Simultaneously press the lock and unlock. Is this simultaneous? Or is this? Okay. Continue with the remaining key fobs, which I don't have. Press exit when done, and it says programming complete. Now let's try this out. Alright, so let's see. Look at that. Fucking works. Horn sounds, locks, unlocks. Let's see if the trunk works. And the trunk works. So there you have it, guys. A quick key fob programming with this keyless entry remote from Amazon. So all you people that are leaving bad reviews, it's only because you need a scanner that works. Now if you don't have one of these, then obviously you're not going to be able to do it. So take it to your local auto repair shop, ask them if they have a scan tool that can program a keyless entry remote. And basically all you're going to have to do is be able to communicate with the body control module. Once you communicate there, you're inputting the information from here, putting it into the control module, and letting it know that this is a new remote that's going to be working with your car. So I'm going to go ahead and order another one, and I don't think I'm going to make a video on how I program the second one. Basically, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Hold them simultaneously, which is lock and unlock at the same time. And then it's done. This honestly took like 5 minutes to program. The remote will cost you around $10. If you guys need any programming, you don't have to take it to the dealer. I'm not sure if the Autel Maxi is going to be able to do this. And you know what? I'm gonna order my second remote, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna program the second one using the auto to see if it's possible. And if it's not, then I'll just come and do it with my Veris. But there it is, guys. Quick programming of a key fob with my Snap-on Veris. That's it, homies. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.